Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can use Apple Pay on iPhone. So to start, let me quickly demonstrate how you can find and configure the Apple ID Apple Pay or wallet settings. So first launch the General Settings app and here enter the Wallet and Apple Pay category. Now you can add the payment cards, the cards that you will use with an Apple Pay, debit or credit, or perhaps travel card. You can switch on the double-click side button to launch the Apple Pay, as well as toggle some other options here, which are not that important as far as I can see. And now, once you are at the store and you would like to use the Apple ID to pay for your groceries or whatever you have bought, simply double-click the power button. In my case, it might not work since I do not have any cards added to my Apple Wallet, or actually some of them are added. Anyway, once you will add at least one card to the Apple Pay, you will need to double-click the side power button to launch it. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye-bye.